Welcome to Digitally Rise, your destination for powerful digital marketing strategies and AI-driven growth. You rise, we rise, let's rise together. The marketing game is changing faster than ever. If you want to stay ahead, you need to know what's coming. Here are the top 5 digital marketing trends that will dominate 2025. Trend 1. AI-powered marketing. AI will handle content creation, ad optimization, and even customer support. Brands using AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney will outpace competitors. Trend 2. Short-form video dominance. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts will remain king. Businesses that master storytelling in under 60 seconds will win. Trend 3. Voice search optimization. With smart assistants like Alexa and Google Home, voice search is growing. Optimizing your content for conversational queries is a must. Trend 4. AR and VR experiences. Augmented reality will allow customers to try products virtually. Think virtual furniture placement, makeup try-ons, or 3D product demos. Trend 5. Hyper-personalization. Marketing will become one-to-one. AI will help brands deliver custom offers, content, and ads tailored to each user's behavior. Which trend excites you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Digitally Rise for more marketing insights.